Hello guys, Jenkins here. I just wanna say about what is my real and true definition about true love. Well, true love is makes you do no, it's um um what do you call it will make you sacrifice everything you have. You will be able to do anything you wanted to. True love is different, far different from love. Love has too many definitions for me. Love is blind, love hurts, and most of all, love makes you do crazy things. So, true love for me is worth fighting for, worth dying for. Yes, that's my meaning for true love. And I think I found it. I found my true love, the counterpart of my soul. So if anyone hear this, I hope you understands me.